Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to our math lesson. All right, so what we're working on today are how can we use mental math strategies to help us fluently add within 20. So our focus today is going to be another strategy called doubles plus one, or some people have called it near doubles. So what that means is we are going to be looking for our doubles. And you all know from first grade, certain math facts that we know are doubles. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10. So we're going to use that same process, okay? So our first problem that we're going to solve is 8 plus 7. So again, boys and girls, I'm looking for my doubles. And already I see that with 8 plus 7, I know that 7 has a double. And I know that 7 plus 7 is going to give me a number, okay? Well, this 7 must come from this 8, which I also know that 7 plus 1 is going to give me 8. So 7 plus 7 is 14, and I'm going to add one more, and that's going to give me 15. All right, so now we're going to solve another one, boys and girls. So let's go ahead and solve another one. I want you to remind yourself we're working on doubles plus one or near doubles. This is another math strategy. So we're going to look at the problem 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Okay, so let's think. We're going to do this one together, okay? So 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Do you see a double there? What's a doubles that we know? Oh my goodness, we do. We know 4 plus 4. And we know if 4 plus 4, that 4 is coming from this 5, and there's going to be one more left over. So if I'm taking 4, 4 plus 1 is going to give me 5, right? So I know that 4 plus 4 plus a 1. That's where we get that doubles plus 1. Okay, or near doubles, okay? So doubles plus 1, we have our doubles here, and then we're going to add the 1, which came from the difference of that 5. 4 plus 4, boys and girls, is what? 8. Awesome. And 8 plus 1 is 9, which tells me that if 8 plus 1 is 9, and I use my doubles, that also means that 5 plus 4 must also equal 9. All right, boys and girls, so I want you to be thinking to yourself, if I am adding a number within 20 and I want to add fluently, what do I know that can help me? A strategy you want to use is doubles plus 1 or near doubles.